Hey guys, my name is Key. What's up? I can't believe I said that. Whee! I'm gonna listen to Black Veil right now. So, I really don't know why I'm making a video. This is loud. I can't hear myself. I'm probably yelling, ain't I? Anyway, why am I posting a video? Creeper face. I need to look at the camera more. I keep looking at the screen. It's like, hi. No. So, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? 1 second. I'm gonna do something that will scare a lot of people. Most likely. Maybe. It really depends on what y'all get scared by. Well, and then again, I only have like 4 subscribers, so I have no one to scare. Ooh, knife! Big, huge knife! It's bigger than my head. Actually, literally is longer than my head. Shut up. But it's a big, huge knife. Anyway, that's not what I came for. I came for you. And then sword knife. Ah, it feels good. If only you were enough to go. Blood and war make me happy. Okay. So, I'm going to do my favorite sound, which you probably won't hear very well. Hi. Hi. My favorite sound, I'm so happy. The ages now divide, divide. It got deleted. That was okay. 1 sec. You're probably tired of my ugly face. Holy Mother of God. find yourself in this mess, Key? I am not the type of person who gets a lifetime supply. I don't think you know how much you don't mean to me. Oh, you mean absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. You think you understand, but you don't know. I'm looking for a roleplay. I'm not gonna be alive for you. Kill me lightly, kill me slowly. This is a bunch of boringness, but you know what? I don't give a shit. I'm gonna go put this up. Bobby is gone, and so is my mum. Mum is on rum. Just kidding. I don't think my mum is on rum. I would hope not. My mum being on rum would be very, very bad. My voice goes really high pitched. I don't want to scream right now, actually. I have upstairs neighbors. Well, goodbye. I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna leave you. That was a voice crack. Anyway, key out, peace. Wait. Key out, peace.